Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the DHCP on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, as well as Windows 11 computers, obviously, since I am on a Windows 11 machine here. So basically, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it's used to assign IP addresses to your computer basically. So that's in synopsis what it is. So we're going to go about how to either enable or disable this, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel here, so go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select network and sharing center. Select whatever your internet connection type is under here. Should be a little hyperlink, so go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the properties button. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then parentheses TCP/IPv4, and then select properties. You want to make sure that obtain an IP address automatically as well as obtain a DNS server address automatically are both selected here. If you want to enable DHCP, if you want to disable DHCP, you would set it to use the following IP address as well as use the following DNS server address too. So you would do that if you wanted to turn it off. Otherwise, like I said, if you want to turn it on, you have to obtain an IP address automatically as well as obtaining a DNS server address automatically. And then you would select OK to save the change. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.